Silent and powerful, the new DS460 2-speed scroll saw, with its high-power, quiet-running induction motor and 2 selectable speeds, allows clean cutting of diverse materials. 5 coarse and 5 fine saw blades accompany the DS460 as standard features. Fine cuts through wood, non-ferrous metals, plastics, and even plexiglass, foam concrete, rubber, leather, and cork are easily possible. Narrow, high-precision curved cuts are a special capability of our scroll saw and make it a preferred choice for a wide variety of applications. Including mold production, precision engineering, model building, and manufacture of toys, like puzzles and wooden figures. Larger workpieces can be managed too. The machine boasts a throat of 460 mm, while the saw table is dimensioned extremely generously at 400 by 250 mm. The solid base and rigid machine body made of cast vibration-damping material. An ideal platform for mounting the generously dimensioned saw table and saw arms. They're made of magnesium, an ultra-light yet very strong material. This ensures low moving masses during operation of the machine, and is also responsible for the imperturbably smooth running. Precise bearings for the moving parts make for absolutely play-free and highly accurate guidance of the saw blades. And for mounting the blades on the arms, we've devised something very special. These patented slide blocks are designed not only to clamp the blade firmly, but also to control its upward and downward movements so that it remains constantly tensioned and is able to oscillate freely. This results in the finest possible cuts for the most demanding applications and a long service life of the saw blade without any breakage. The blade can also be changed instantly, not least due to the possibility of sliding the saw table back. This is how it's done. Simply reduce the blade tension, then detach the saw table and push it back. This makes the blade mounting easily accessible, and the slide blocks can be easily removed and replaced. Ideal for quick blade changing with different teeth sizes, or in the case of internal cuts. Clamping of the saw blade in the sliding blocks is facilitated by gaps in the table's surface. As an added benefit of this, the right length always remains the default setting. Of course, saw blades with a crosspin can also be used. The DS460 provides extra flexibility with its saw table, which can be swiveled in the range from 5 to 50 degrees. Precise engagement every 10 degrees and additional fine adjustment make even a cutting of any required mitre a sheer pleasure. And we figured out something else so that the usage of the DS460 remains clean fun. An automatically driven bellows with an adjustable air nozzle prevents dust from obscuring your view of the cutting line. Proxxon, tools with character.